Hello, this is 𝗧𝗶𝗽𝗀, and another awesome video today. So this is the weather radio, probably won't have it all taped. No way to get a clear signal in this room. I'll show you why I did this. I just intended to test that wire the other time to turn the out port. So the coax was just RCA coax cable. And why is it? Because this thing is looser the cooling port, basically another output that has a problem with the grounding, I think, but it still doesn't work. I have this basically hitched into here, where I got here on this computer, which also has this thing hitched right here, which goes in there. And it's fed to a record player there. I can fit anything I want. And this wire for the TV goes all the way here, behind the VCR. It's just the video card got and go fine. Right. It's not right. Right back there. Around white wires. And then transmitter hitches here. It connects all these wires. This antenna connects to the splitter. This antenna a split wire and connects the AM transmitter down here. This wire these wires go straight to an amplifier down there. The television and go straight out to the outdoor antenna on the ground level. And then all these wires you'll get is my TV stuff on here. I have like a TV channel in this box, a bunch of splitters, a bunch of amplifiers, where you're running the digital TV station. The digital thing is fed through so this channel master HFC modulator with the Iron Man tape powers this channel master HFC modulator. The digital and analog signal simulcasts off the digital one as barn tongue 𝗍𝗶𝗶𝗃 and they see the DVD player not connected yet, but I will get it at some point. In fact, I found a GoPro a while ago. I found a Blu-ray player at GoPro, a very cheap price. Guess they lost the moment can find one of the jet ones. They couldn't get it to work. There's no use for recordings, like it works just fine with a universal remote. A remote looks like this that goes upstairs. And my meter's powered through I clean this stuff up. I hide this license key. All my music comes from that computer. And my content comes from that Fire TV. And this FM transmitter does the FM, which goes the furthest, ironically. Then it was pretty far through. At some point I'm gonna get a 5 or 10 watt thing from that guy from Turkey. Guy is back in business. It's Orient 100, so if I get one of those, thank him. Orient 100 on eBay. If you know what user tell him to save one for me, so I can review it like this. The AM transmitter is set in the FM AM. FM is set to 91.9 megahertz, and the AM is set to 1640 kilohertz. And the antenna powers the tune card and make a TV stream. Now I'm going to have to use the channel DVR to actually live stream from that tuner card. Trying the VLC didn't work. The old Apple II, sadly, it died. About a few months ago, almost a year ago. So I can't get it to work. It was a faulty video wire in there. 𝗷𝗫𝗀 actually. Well, these two, they're basically like my grandmother's TVs except smaller. I already bought them. Unfortunately, those had a tuner card pop. The tuner coax connector fall out. And this is much better. It has a built-in VCR and DVD player. The 𝗦𝗵𝟫𝗁 records VHS fairly well. The cord pretty much uses the digital transition down 9. I'm pretty kind of record from the line input, I think. I'm pretty sure. And from analog channel using a trimmer setup like I have. But other than that, can make broadcast going to get those digital channels that we use a converter box that plug in here to get digital channels. But other than that, VCR are pretty much useless in today's time. Unless you have copy protected tape and you have a filter to get rid of copy protection. It's hard to find, but you can still find them on Amazon that are still readily available. At least one is the Grex. I tried 3 of those at one point. I got for down there $80 or $80, and they all died. Now I cost $100 of them. About 2/5 of the price. So yeah. So if you want to see if the alerts with why I came to the street, you can see the alerts. I'll show you the alerts. Stay until the end, that's great. I'll show you how the alerts work. Like I said in other videos, I don't do this because you'll go to jail if you attempt this. Or you could get fined, if you get caught doing this. I was only going to do it for a few seconds. To do it.
We follow the top 𝗦𝗵𝟐𝟐 show.
What's on long frequency?
You'll get great analysis from 𝗧𝗶𝗽𝗀.
Check 91.9.
𝗦𝗵𝟐 Plus now.
Well, I'm getting a sports game. It just seemed like my computer's only actually playing. And my computer's not playing something interesting. Well, it gets crashed. So I'm just going to show you this anyway. It's just a 91.9. I don't know what that is. Or thing. Do this. Just unplug this thing, see if it works. Had to work. I never get this channel. The other thing, yeah. I just think set to A, which we're going to test later. I never get the GIR. And it says to FM. My FM. Connect the thing. Now I'm gonna check this thing and I'll show you that it does work. Show you my digital thing for the first time. Hold on. Here's the next gen TV remote. I don't know if this is the right one. I have one without batteries. Oh yeah, I gotta cut a thing in the internet to get the encryption keys. Because it's a next gen TV box. So it's connected. Now it has an error, so like cancel reporting. See what. Alright. There's my TV channel. Currently it's nothing playing. It's like a tape player. And I'll show you. See, I also have on channel 6. Here's gonna prove this does work on the digital feed. Alright, so press this. See, that works. Now if I do this, or just unplug. I was here a little bit, but not well. I'll try and place it a bit. Now it works. I had no idea the design to it. So that works. Current's on 9.9. I gotta prove it because I was like, I want to prove like the little dial. It's on the I gotta turn this thing on FM again. I was getting the wrong knob. My bad. There's 9.9. See? 92.1's around there. I got switched to AM. And it's all yet the end of the dial. This is to AM. Thing's not on the right channel. Now it is. So that's on. Can't really see it like show the AM numbers. It's high in the band, but 1640. And I saw my emergency alerts work. I know I said it was gonna be a short video. It's still at the end. That's great. A little while in a second, I want to show a video of it. Had to do some emergency alerts in the morning because it's Wednesday. And I wanted to know before the time of the alerts. My radio is still working this morning, sorry. So that's my niece and nephew and my mom arguing. Anyway, that's it for this video. J797, hope you have a good one. Have an awesome day. Peace.